So I think without data, we would never have initiated services within the industry, because data is the thing that protects you from the risk that you take on by offering a service. So data is enabled by technologies, whether that is old style or currently a little bit more developed, a little bit more mature Internet of Things. So again, I think that those technologies, as they mature and increase their capability, drive forward services innovation. Services innovation is what businesses thrive on. If I pick on two examples of things, I think one is technology driven, which is perhaps taking us step by step towards more autonomy within the aviation industry, as in we have drones, we have UAVs. How far is that going to get on, I don't know, cargo aircraft, for instance? We're already looking at autonomous intelligent shipping, for instance. Would that make its way into aerospace? Passenger aerospace feels a big, big step, but possibly into cargo, maybe. Airships, all of those sorts of things where safety is a little bit more controlled. The other side of the innovation, I think, is more commercial than it is technology. It is, given that all of this technology is starting to emerge, how do we manage the commercialization of that so that we don't disappear into lots of little pockets of proprietary capability? How do we make this truly a data collaborative industry? The more that we manage to collaborate on the data within the boundaries of personal data protection and competitive protection over data, how do we collaborate so that everybody benefits? There's a tendency or a temptation for individual organisations to think inwardly and to do something commercially which perhaps limits the rest of the industry from benefiting from this data. How do we encourage all of ourselves to not do that? I think it can't be a single thing. It has to be the end-to-end chain. So any individual piece of technology is only as good as the chain of value that it enables. So my interest is making sure that we move all of those forwards in conjunction. So whether that's the data capture side, the transmission side, the ingestion side, the storage, the analytics, the outcome and the insight that we generate, all of that needs to travel as one, rather than be really, really good at acquisition but have no idea how to analyse the results.